Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you've ever found yourself needing to make your presentations just a little more dynamic or collaborative, today's tutorial is absolutely for you. I'm going to walk you step by step through the process of adding a table from Google Sheets directly into Google Slides. By the end of this quick session, you'll know exactly how to get your up-to-date data looking sharp right in your presentation. No more tedious copy-pasting or reformatting cells one by one. Alright, let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you already have your table set up in Google Sheets. This is where you probably spent some time plugging in data, formatting cells, maybe even getting those headers bolded and your columns lined up just right. If your table is ready to go, awesome, let's move to the next step. What you'll do now is select the area of your table that you actually want to appear in your Google Slides. You can click and drag your mouse across all the relevant cells, just like highlighting text in a document. Go ahead and be precise here. It's always easier to adjust what you want to include before copying rather than after. Think of this like outlining the exact part of a picture you want to frame. Once you've got your table selected, it's time to copy it. You can simply right-click on the highlighted area and choose Copy, or press Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on a Mac. Make sure you cover everything you need. This copy step is capturing the snapshot of your data. Now, with your tables safely copied, let's switch over to Google Slides. If you haven't already opened your presentation, do that now and navigate to the slide where you want your table to go. This is where the magic of Google's integration comes in handy. Next, look towards the top menu of Google Slides and find Insert. This is where you find all the building blocks for your slides, images, charts, and of course tables. Click on Insert and then hover down to select Table. Here you can go ahead and add a blank table onto your slide. It might seem odd to add an empty table when you already have your data copied, but this step helps slides recognize where your data will land and keeps formatting clean. After your blank table is sitting on the slide, you're almost done. Click into the very first cell of the table that appeared, then simply paste your copied table data from Google Sheets. You can do this with right-click and paste, or just press Ctrl+V or Command+V. Don't worry if you see a quick flicker or if it takes a second. Sometimes it takes a moment for slides to register everything, especially if your table is on the larger side. Now take a moment to look at your table and make sure everything lined up correctly. Occasionally, you may need to resize a row or a column, and that's totally normal. The goal is to have all your key information crystal clear for your audience. And that's all there is to it. Adding data from Google Sheets into Google Slides doesn't have to be a chore, and with this approach, your tables can stay sharp, professional, and up to date. If you found this walkthrough helpful, I'd love it if you gave this video a like, and if you have any questions or run into trouble, just drop me a comment below. I'm here to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.